A few days back in my session, a few of you asked me, how can you believe in law of karma? जबकि हम देखते हैं कि बहुत से अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा हो रहा है और बहुत से गलत लोगों को बहुत से फायदे मिलते हैं and they are in advantageous positions. So I'll try to explain this law of karma's context in this small example. So India में कुछ एक स्कूलों में जहाँ पे जब रैंकिंग सिस्टम होता था, so there was a rule that if in class 5, say, you stand first in your class in your final exam, then in class 6, you will be allotted the first bench and you will be allowed to take 2 library books every week. All the other kids will get only one book weekly, and all the other kids will rotate their seats from second to the last bench. But the kid who stood first in class 5 will get the first bench throughout the year in class 6. So, and now imagine one kid joins the school in class 6 only. That's his first year in the school. Now he is watching, suppose that the kid who has been allotted first seat is playing around, bunking the classes, not taking full advantage of library, maybe not reading the books he's allowed to take, maybe he is doing few sorts of wrong things per his perspective, because whatever is wrong or right is per our perspective. So maybe उस नए किड के पर्सपेक्टिव से जब जिस बंदे को इतने प्रिविलेजेस मिल रहे हैं, he is wrong per his perspective. So now what he is thinking, see, this is the rule of school. The boy who is not doing his homework, he's not giving, like, attending the classes properly, he's been given so much privileges, he's been given the first seat and he's allowed to take 2 books, we are allowed to take only 1 book. There is something which is not justified. ये तो अन्याय है. Law of karma is not working. Now understand this. There are 2 things here. First thing, कि उस बच्चे को जो फर्स्ट सीट मिली है, जो फर्स्ट सीट का प्रिविलेज मिला है और जो परमिशन मिली है कि देखिए कैन बोरो मोर बुक्स, एंड उसको जो भी एडवांटेजेस चीजें मिली है, जो भी प्रिविलेजेस मिले हैं, दैट आर बेस्ड ऑन हिज पास्ट कर्मा. You call it past life karma, you call it past lives, you call it past years. So whatever it is, whatever privileges he's getting now is result of his past karma. And now the privileges he's using, the way he's using them and the way he's behaving now is creating his new karma, the consequences of which will come in future. So now in class 6, he will throughout get the first seat despite of whether he's deserving or not, because he has earned this seat in his last karma, working hard and getting a result in class 5 in his last life or last karma. He has earned that privileges for now. So for class 6, he will be having this privilege throughout. Now the way he uses this privilege will result in consequences that he will face in the next class. Whether he'll be promoted, not promoted, whether he'll be like expelled from the school, whether he'll be given again this first bench, it will all depend on how he is now behaving in this lifetime, this period, or in present, you say. So what we have done in past results in what present we are getting, and what we now do, what we do now in present will create our future. This is how law of karma works. So it is not like that कि जो गलत है उनको अच्छी चीजें मिलती हैं और जो अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा हो रहा है. I have heard people saying that ये तो कलयुग है ना, तो जो बुरा करता है उनको ही अच्छा मिलता है. The rules have changed. It's not like that. It's not at all like that. We are still getting consequences of our choices, the choices we have made in past. There is one more aspect to law of karma that we'll discuss in some other video. Thank you.